I'm in Tondo, one of the most infamous slums in Manila. Some people have called it the most dangerous place in the Philippines. Here, life is tough, but the spirit of the community is unbreakable. Today, we're diving into the heart of Tondo to uncover its hidden stories, meet its incredible people, and experience a side of the Philippines that most tourists never see. Amongst the narrow alleys buzzing with life, we'll explore how residents turn challenges into opportunities and how their creativity and resilience shine through every corner. This is a journey of contrasts and connections, showing that even in the most unexpected places, there's beauty and strength waiting to be discovered. Join me on this unforgettable adventure through Tondo. You won't want to miss it.
Not all people here in Tondo are bad.
Hello! First things first, I had to get to Tondo. Manila has a wide variety of unique and interesting forms of transport, such as this one. It was certainly fun, but perhaps not the most comfortable. Tell you what, when you're in a sidecar, you feel everything. There's no shock absorbers. All my coins. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat. After arriving in Tondo, it didn't take long for my preconceptions about the area to be re-evaluated. This is just nice, friendly. It's really nice. Hello. Musta. Hello. What's your name?
TJ.
TJ. Nice to meet you. There goes TJ. When you travel to a lot of countries that don't have many tourists, it's pretty common for a lot of the locals to say hello and so they're naturally friendly because they're curious. But the Philippines has so many tourists, and yet still the locals are so friendly, open and welcoming to everyone. Hello. Hello. No, I'm very bad. I'm very bad. You got it?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah!
Hey!
I'm very bad. Very bad.
Oh.
Very bad. I play football, not basketball.
Yeah.
You can play in NBA. Oof. Musta, how are you? You good?
Yeah. What country?
I'm from England.
Walking.
Yeah. Just walking in Tondo. Yeah.
What country?
England.
England.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hey!
Miles. What's your name?
Ray.
Ray. Nice to meet you, Ray.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. I can barely take 5 meters without someone saying hello and wanting to talk. Everyone is so friendly here. The one thing I will say is an absolute maze here, and it's kind of no surprise that this is such a densely populated area. It's really small streets. I mean, it's amazing the compactness, but I wish some of this compactness existed in North America, to be honest. There's such a sense of community here. There's children playing in the streets everywhere, people hanging out, eating food. Hey bro! How are you?
How are you, bro?
I'm good. You playing Counter-Strike? Huh?
Yeah, Crossfire.
You're playing Crossfire?
Oh, Crossfire.
Are you winning, son?
Loses.
He loses. We're just in the middle of a street here. They got a gaming setup going on. That's great.
That's my... Hey, Joe!
Hello.
Give me a one shot!
Huh?
Give me a one shot!
A watch that?
Oh, picture.
Oh, a picture of you?
Picture.
There you go. You're famous now.
Give me a two shot.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello. I'm starting to lose my voice from saying hello so much. Hey, what's up?
What's up, brother?
Hey.
Nice shirt, Tom, huh?
Continuing into Tondo, I found locals spending their entertainment time in some rather unique ways.
Look at this! Spider-Man!
What? What are you doing?
Spider fight, derby spider.
Spider fight?
Yes! Never friendly. Dito ako sa vlogger. Ano? Ayun na. No, hindi tatakbo sa amin. Hindi tatakbo sa amin. Hindi tatakbo sa amin, kaibigan. Uy, wag ka nagamba ko. Wag nagamba ko.
Nakadumikit yun, no? Sa dumikit yun eh. Ayun lang nakapanik.
Walang anis.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Money.
Oh, I see. Okay. I'll go number 3.
Number 3.
Okay.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
Number. What number?
Another number, number 2.
Number 2.
3. I lose.
What the 3?
People here in Tondo is so friendly.
Yeah. Very friendly.
I can talk to you.
Yeah. Whilst chatting to these ladies, I met Kurt, who wanted to show me Aroma, one of the most notorious areas in Tondo.
She says...
You look like a Jesus.
Oh, Jesus!
Ipako ka raw sa krus.
But it's a very, very strong community.
Yes. Have you been visit the Aroma, Happy Lunch?
Aroma? I don't know. Where is it?
Slum. Slum here in Tondo. You want to see them?
Okay.
I will come to you. If
Okay.
you want.
So, before I came here,
Yes.
I heard a lot of people say Tondo is dangerous.
Yes.
Why would people say Tondo is dangerous?
They say Tondo is dangerous because Tondo is unity. You hurt people, one people here, all of the people will harm you.
Okay.
Guys.
And these two kids decided to come for the journey too.
Jump.
Hey! Hello, happy dog. Hello. Pool table. Now that we're in Aroma, there's a bit of a difference in the way the houses are built, but hello. The character of the people is the exact same. Hello. The friendliness. Hello. Hello. The community. Hi.
Punta ka na. Ay, basta ka na manino. Punta ka na. Natin sa babae. Hindi mo na natin kasi yung maging hansa.
Happy birthday, Rainali!
As we continued further, the wealth of the area might have changed, but the vibes of the locals certainly didn't. Hello.
guys from Jeddah. Meet my friend from Germany, from England. She's my auntie.
Ah, nice to meet you. Hey, hi.
Not all people here in Tondo are bad.
There we go. After grabbing drinks and a photo with Kurt's family, I continued my exploration through the area, wanting to hear other locals' thoughts on their neighbourhood.
Give money. No money, diba? No money. No money.
Lots of fist bumps. How are you?
I'm Raymond.
Good? Nice to meet you.
To meet you.
This area, Aroma, is it dangerous?
No.
No, people here very friendly, very nice. Yeah. Aroma.
Yeah, it is aroma.
Some people say it's dangerous.
No,
No danger.
No.
Everyone here is very friendly.
Yes.
It's a big, strong community.
Yes.
I then met Rosemary, who turned out to be a bit of a celebrity.
Oi, what's up?
Hi, Rosemary. You want to be in the video? So this is Rosemary. She's in a famous Filipino girl band called
Member of one of the member Slum dancer.
a big band in the 90s.
Hi guys.
She's just dragged me into her family home to give me water and food. She's very nice.
Hi guys.
Oh my god, he's got a gun! I'd had an amazing day, and as I left the neighbourhood on the Philippines' most iconic transport, a jeepney, I reflected on my time in Tondo. The word slum has such negative connotations, but for me, Tondo was just a neighbourhood with good people. Whilst they may face tougher challenges than most, I've also never been in such a friendly and upbeat community, thankful for what they do have in terms of family, friends, and relationships. Personally, I just can't wait to go back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos.